Ciao guys, today is Monday, October 27th. Mike and I have been in Italy for a week. We were up in Massachusetts on Cape Cod for our daughter's wedding and my mom's funeral, and we arrived here a week ago and it's been nonstop. Lots of projects, lots of running around. I've been under the weather, but I wanted to add a few little videos today and show you a beautiful view from our terrace. It's actually the first really, really beautiful day. So let's see if I can do this. Where are you going, Mike?
Huh?
Where are you going?
Turn the water on. Pray that there's no running water in the house.
Changing toilets?
I can hear you. Can you hear me? Yeah. I'll put it on slow and then I'll turn it all the way on.
Italian plumbing. Oh, what is that?
No, the water.
Coming through?
The sink.
Oh, because it was on.
All good? Ashley?
He can hear my thing. Oh. Oh, chef. Ashley said it's all good. No, nothing leaking?
Still good, Ashley?
Still good. Ciao bueno.
Ciao bueno. Hello, good.
Shut up.
What?
Success.
It's what?
So far.
This is the little bathroom upstairs that's been a hellhole. It stunk. Why did it stink?
No wax ring on the toilet. Just toilet sitting on an open hole. Not supposed to be like that.
So when you flush it, fumes,
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
poop shoot coming back up?
Yeah. There's supposed to be a ring that sits down inside that hole, and it's pressed down with the toilet.
Oh my god.
And nothing.
Nothing? What do you mean nothing?
There was nothing in there.
Oh, but nothing there. That's working.
No, this is good. And she said no water pressure now.
It's way too much. Can you turn that to make it less? That's way too much.
Just turn it on.
So there was a nasty medicine cabinet. It's a wet room, so there's just like a shower. I mean, the tile's not bad. Like, I want this out, and then we're going to hang a new mirror. We have a new toilet. I'm going to put a skirt on here, and we're going to hang 2 curtains so you have kind of a shower. Like, right now, it's like a closet.
And it's basically a rain. It's coming straight from the top.
But there'll be plenty of space off the toilet, the new toilet.
Well, the toilet's basically going to be the same spot, honey.
No, I know, but if the toilet's there and you're standing there, you're not on the toilet.
Yeah, the drain's way over here.
We got a new light, and then Mike smashed it at the register
And
at
if you
Leroy
look at
Merlin.
this is the exact same light. All we need is a new dome.
We just need a dome.
We just need a
I
dome.
think Casa has one. All right. I mean, it's not a bad little bathroom. We just need to take off all the stupid plugs, too.
I took all the handles off, like 20, literally 27 handles.
Yeah, and then we can spackle them. I want that shelf gone because the mirror's going to go there.
He's got all. I just have to take his stuff off.
Yeah. But are you spackling? Is that what you did?
No, I was using that to pop the thing off.
So now we have a nasty ass toilet and an IKEA bag. Sure. Look at how cute their room is. That's what Kaylee got at Mercantino for 45 bucks. They're world travelers. They have stuff everywhere. And Ashley is a projector man. Look at that. Isn't that pretty neat? Pretty neat. Why are you so, like, miserable? Where'd we just come back from?
Casa and the China IT home store.
China IT home store. What are you working on?
Everything.
Specifically.
Bathroom. Putting in new toilets, faucets, making it look pretty for the girls.
And this is the upstairs bathroom, but what did you find out the toilets did not have?
Well, one so far. There's no ring between the toilet and the sewage pipe, so it was literally just sitting over a hole. Not nice. Gross. No wax ring, no seal, no nothing.
Probably since
60s when it was probably redone, and that bathroom was redone.
that's a whole lot of nasty.
That's a lot of nasty.
Kaylee was like, the bathroom stinks, I'm not using it. And we're like, get over it. And then Mike realized there's no seal.
Yeah,
And she was like, are you gonna apologize?
that's a lot of poopy air seeping into the room.
That's so gross. So, before and afters coming your way very soon. What day is it? Today's Monday.
Monday.
We've been here a week. We've accomplished a lot in a week. We went olive harvesting. What else have we done?
Worked in the house.
Worked on
Literally
the
every day.
house every day. The weather hasn't been great. Today's a beautiful
I
day.
think we've spent more time in Rome than we've had at the house, though.
We've spent more time at Leroy Merlin and freaking IKEA.
No.
No? We've been at IKEA twice.
Well, yeah, but we've spent more time looking for Mercantinos than anything.
Yeah, we still gotta go back because I didn't even go
You
shopping
and
yet.
Kaylee can go. I'm not driving back.
All right, say ciao.
Ciao. Ciao, 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 ciao. So this is the piece that the last one did not have. It is the seal between the toilet and the main drain pipe. And it was literally not there. It was just the toilet sitting on the open hole, basically no seal at all. So that's what we discovered pulling it out. So new toilet going in, new seal in, new faucet in. On our way.
Ciao.
Ciao.
What's going on now?
Oh, plumbing mess. Plumbing mess in Italy, like usual.
So first of all, it's week 1. We've been here a week.
Well, going on week 2, but yeah. We're through
Well,
week 1.
Yeah, we've been here a week. So
Yeah.
this is Monday. We got here last Monday.
Yep.
It's been a week. It's been a month. We're exhausted.
Yeah, it's been
But now you're working on the upstairs bathroom that we've never done anything with.
right.
We got new toilet, new faucet.
Yep.
Faucet went in,
Faucet's simple.
and now the toilet is
Toilets we found, and I shot a little video of it. The toilet we found had no seal at all from the toilet to the main drain, which is no good.
yeah, like in America that
Yeah, so we got the drain in. I got a new seal in, new toilet, but now the pipe that supplies the water to the toilet is not seating properly for me, and it's leaking. So I have taken a mental break.
do you need wine?
Well, yeah, it's never too early for wine in Italy, so
Well,
I may have to get a glass of wine and a sandwich and think about how I need to redo things.
So it's leaking from the wall.
The water supply that comes out of the wall into the toilet for the flush is
So it's
leaking.
a massive issue or kind of
Well, yeah, I mean, any leak is a big issue. So until I fix it, it's a big issue.
and do we think you can fix it?
I never think I can do anything until I do it. So,
True.
but yeah,
True.
I think I just need to put some sealer around the pipe, and I think we should be good.
All right, so I'm working on some uploading of just little videos we've taken. We went olive harvesting the other day.
That was fantastic.
That was pretty neat. It was Saturday? No, Thursday.
No, Saturday.
I don't even know what day
Yeah,
it
it was
is.
going to be Friday, but then it rained, so we went Saturday.
Yeah, so we'll get that uploaded, and then, I don't know. We're going to try to sit up here tonight and do a video.
Yeah.
And then we want to sit with Giovanni and Allie and do a chow and chat.
Right. Italian style. Like true Italian style.
Yeah, so I'm going to try. I can't work this. I'm just going to turn the camera. That's our view from our terrace. There's Mike.
Hey.
All right, so we haven't been on here in a while.
Yeah. Nothing.
Because life has been busy.
Busy. Very busy.
So it's nice to just be silly again.
Right.
So, ciao.
Ciao. That's a different story.
What is is that the new toilet?
Yeah.
What is the different story?
Well,
Something else is
the
leaking?
water was dripping,
Yeah.
and I tried to pull the plunger up to make it stop dripping, and I did it the wrong way, and it flushed the toilet, and I didn't even have the toilet on, and the water just went.
Why didn't you get me for that? That would have been a nice
Ew.
in the moment video.
Is that toilet water?
It's
No,
piss, Kaylee.
It's not. It's
Ew.
clean. It's clean water that goes into the toilet.
It looks like the scene in Daddy Daycare.
It's actually stinky in here. Why does it still smell if you put that thing on?
Because I just got water everywhere.
Ew.
Isn't it